3 Wild Heart Surprise by Zuru. Alright guys, this rainbow corn has 10 wild layers of surprise. And here are all the ones you can collect. Alright guys, with no further ado, let's get unboxing. You guys, I think we got our first hatching hint. I love sunglasses. This is RAINBOCORNS hatching hint. Alright guys, let's reveal the heart. Okay, so looks like we have a heel, you guys. So let's see what's inside. Alright, you guys, let's see who it is. It looks like a giraffe. You guys, it's so cute. Look at the little wings. Look at its horn. It matches its heart. And it's so cool. You guys, it's a giraffe, a cute giraffe. Look at its little tail. And its paws are hot pink. The horn is purple along with the wings, so they match the heart. Guys, it's so cute. And you guys, the little heart is also a clip. Or you could put it back on. See guys, they can wear it back on. Okay guys, let's see what else is inside. So we got this RAINBOCORN wild poop, a blind bag, and the collector's guide. And you guys, there's also an egg. We're gonna open the other things and leave our RAINBOCORN hatching it right now. So when we get back, our egg is ready, guys. Let's check the collector's guide first. So let's see which one we got and which other ones we could collect. Here's the collector's guide. Guys, it looks like I have giraffe corn. And his name is Tiny. And guys, we also already opened 2 RAINBOCORNs. The first one we got toucan, and the second one we opened a sweet shake surprise. So make sure to go check out the videos down below or at the end. Okay guys, now let's open the blind bag. We got this cute set of nails with the print of giraffe. So cute, right? It matches prints of Tiny. Now let's open the RAINBOCORNS wild poop. It looks like we're supposed to cut because there's 2 of them. We're also supposed to open right here. Okay guys, it's coming out. Okay guys, so it's kind of like a green fluffy slime. Let's open the second one. Looks like this one's gonna be orange red, you guys. Now let's see if our egg is done hatching. Okay, we got it out. Okay guys, let's open it. Aw, so cute! Look, it has a long tail and pink stripes on the side. We got Boo Tiger. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to give us a big thumbs up. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and that bell. And go check out those other 2 RAINBOCORN videos to see what surprises they came with. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video.